The United States Agency for International Development, USAID, through its private sector-driven agricultural growth project, PSDAG, has partnered with Masaka Creamery Ltd., an American-owned company based in Rwanda that produces cultured dairy products which include yogurt, cheese, and butter. According to John Porter, the managing director of Masaka Creamery factory, which is located in the KIGALI Special Economic Zone in Gasabo District, this partnership has enabled the factory to purchase an investment of wonderful machinery and to reduce the risk of the private sector investor who are putting money in this project.
I'm the managing director for Masaka Creamery Limited. We're a dairy processing business located here in the Free Zone in Kigali, Rwanda. We were established in 2015, late 2015, early 2016, and we produce high-quality dairy products for Rwanda and hopefully soon the region.
Yeah, I have seen most of the people that are working here are people living with disability, sure?
Yes, that's right.
Why have you decided to start with these people?
Yeah, so 17 out of our 28 staff members are deaf, and we began hiring out of that community because we were introduced to one woman who was deaf and in a very vulnerable situation. So we wanted to give her employment, but we decided that she would thrive better in a community of people who were facing similar challenges in their lives. So we hired intentionally as many people as we could find from the deaf community, and it's been a really wonderful thing for our business. I can say that this community in Rwanda, they might be disabled, but they're not limited. They're wonderful people. They're extremely smart, very capable, and they are looking for an opportunity to demonstrate what they have to offer, and what they have to offer is really remarkable. So it's an honor to work with these people, and I count myself a beneficiary, not a sponsor. I'm not a sponsor of the deaf community, I'm a beneficiary.
Arriving at Masaka Creamery factory, you will see young boys and girls very active, smiling and presenting healthy faces both inside and outside of the factory. What is very encouraging is that these young people have an ideal team spirit, and you cannot believe that among them there are 17 who live with hearing impairments. Speaking at the official launch of USAID Masaka Creamery partnership, the U.S. ambassador to Rwanda, Peter Roman, said, "This is very meaningful for me to see such amazing project bringing milk products to people of Rwanda from the farmers of Rwanda. Rwanda has put in place several measures and policies which support people living with disability while at the same time ensuring that this community is having access to employments as well as benefiting from other income-generating activities." On behalf of Rwanda's Ministry of Agriculture, Dr. Theogene Rudagwenda, who is the Director General of Livestock in the ministry, said this is the collaborative effort between the Ministry of Agriculture and the United States government.
Efforts between the ministry and the United